Do you know what happens to your general rubbish? Once collected from the curbside or recycling centre, general rubbish is bulked in order to reduce the amount of transport vehicles. It is then taken to an energy from waste facility near Braintree. Energy from waste is the process of taking waste and turning it into heat and electricity. This is a step up the waste hierarchy and is a better alternative to landfill. The best thing we can do is to prevent and reduce the amount of rubbish being produced in the first place. It is then important that we continue to reuse, recycle and compost as much as we can. So what happens at the energy from waste facility? Vehicles enter the tipping hall and unload the waste into the bunker. Manually operated cranes distribute the waste evenly before moving the waste onto a slanted grate in the furnace. The furnace operates at temperatures between 850 and 1000 degrees Celsius. After the waste has been incinerated, metals are removed from the bottom ash and sent for recycling. The remaining bottom ash is sent off-site to be processed and used in construction. The control room monitors the cooling, cleaning and treatment of the hot flue gases before they are released out of the stack. There are strict emission controls in place, and the facility has been designed to meet environmental legislation. The control room continuously monitors the activities and ensures the facility is operating efficiently and safely. Once the flue gases have been treated, heat from the furnace is used to boil water in the steam boiler. This process generates steam, which turns the turbines in a generator and produces electricity. A small portion of the electricity is used to power the energy from waste facility, and the rest is exported to the grid and used to power homes in Essex. Energy from waste is a good way of dealing with waste that cannot be recycled. When possible, we should keep reusing, recycling and composting as much as we can. By doing this, you are helping to protect our planet. Together, we can make a difference.